What if I told you that chasing a beautiful girl could be the very thing destroying your chances at real love, intimacy, and fulfillment? What if I told you that the obsession with beauty is not attraction, but addiction, a psychological trap designed to keep you empty, restless, and unsatisfied? This is not a pep talk. This is a wake-up call. If you are a man who thinks the solution to loneliness or success in dating is to find the most beautiful girl you can, then listen carefully. Because what I am about to tell you will shake the way you think about women, relationships, and even yourself. The world has lied to you. Music, movies, and ads tell you that beauty is the prize, that the most beautiful girl is proof of your success as a man. But here is the truth. Beauty alone is the weakest foundation for a relationship. It crumbles under pressure, dissolves with time, and cannot carry the weight of love. Psychology proves it. Attraction may spark interest, but it doesn't sustain long-term happiness. Your brain adapts. What once looked extraordinary soon feels ordinary. That's why men who chase beauty alone end up restless, always hunting for the next upgrade. That's not love. That's addiction. An addiction never fulfills. Beauty cannot heal you when you're broken, raise a family with wisdom, or keep you together when life tests you. If beauty is all you chase, you're not in love with her. You're in love with her appearance. That isn't a relationship. That's possession. Attraction matters, but when it's elevated above character, values, and depth, it's sabotage you. A house built on sand always falls, no matter how stunning it looks. The men who win in love see beyond beauty. They value kindness, loyalty, and strength. Beauty may catch your eyes, but only character captures your soul. And if your relationship isn't built on the soul, it is built on nothing. What no one tells you is this: your brain is not built to stay dazzled by beauty forever. Neuroscience proves it. The dopamine rush you feel when you meet a stunning woman is real, but it's temporary. It's called the Coolidge effect and hedonic adaptation. The brain gets used to what it sees. That thrill you once felt? It fades. Every single time. This is why men who chase beauty often find themselves restless. One day she is your dream. The next she is just familiar. And then your eyes wander. Not because she has changed, but because your brain has. You are wired to adapt. And when beauty is all you built the relationship on, there is nothing left once the excitement wears off. Here is the shocking part. Studies show that couples who rate physical attraction as the main reason for their relationship report lower satisfaction over time than couples who focus on communication, shared goals, and emotional intimacy. That means if beauty is your foundation, your happiness has an expiration date, and think about it. How many men do you know who left a beautiful woman only to chase another, and another, and another? It is not because women failed them. It is because they never understood their own psychology. They mistook the temporary spark for lasting fire. Lean it carefully. Attraction fades, but connection can deepen. If you want a love that grows, stop obsessing over the temporary high of beauty and invest in the kind of bond that time cannot erode. Men who chase beauty often ignore compatibility, values, and emotional intelligence. Here is the harsh truth. Beauty can blind you. When a man is obsessed with a woman's looks, he often forgets to ask the most important questions. Does she share your values? Can she communicate with honesty? Does she have the emotional intelligence to handle conflict, growth, and real life? If you never stop to ask those questions, you're not choosing a partner. You're choosing packaging. Compatibility is what keeps relationships alive. Psychology research shows that couples who share values and emotional intelligence have far higher satisfaction and longevity than those who don't, regardless of how attractive they are. Yet so many men jump into relationships because she is gorgeous, only to realize later that beauty cannot erase disrespect, dishonesty, or drama. And here is the dangerous part. When you ignore compatibility, you put yourself in the line of fire. You end up in relationships filled with chaos, arguments, and manipulation. But you stay because you're addicted to how she looks. That is not love. That is weakness disguised as desire. Ask yourself, what happens when the beauty no longer blinds you? You wake up next to someone you can't talk to, someone who doesn't respect you, someone whose goals clash with yours. And at that point, you don't just lose the relationship, you lose time, energy, and pieces of yourself. The truth is this: a woman's beauty might turn your head, but her values and emotional intelligence determine whether she can walk with you through life. If you ignore that, you are not pursuing love. You are pursuing pain dressed up in a pretty face. When you chase beauty and nothing else, you're not the hunter, you're the prey. Because here is the uncomfortable truth: beauty is powerful currency in this world. And if that is all you value, it can be used against you. How many men have thrown away money, time, and dignity just to keep the attention of a beautiful woman who gave them nothing in return? How many have sacrificed their peace, their dreams, and their integrity because they believed beauty was worth any price? This is not strength. This is weakness disguised as desire. Peace psychology shows that people who prioritize physical appearance above character are more likely to experience manipulation in relationships. Why? Because when you idolize beauty, you lower your standards everywhere else. You excuse toxic behavior. You tolerate disrespect. You ignore red flags. You become so blinded by her looks that you cannot see when you are being used. And what does it leave you with? Emptiness. A beautiful face beside you, but no peace in your heart. A gorgeous partner on your arm, but no loyalty when life tests you. You trade depth for surface, and when the surface fades, you are left with nothing. Linen carefully. A man who values only beauty makes himself easy to control. But a man who values depth, intelligence, respect, and growth cannot be bought, cannot be manipulated, and cannot be broken. If you want to win in love, stop chasing the illusion of beauty without substance. Because that path doesn't lead to fulfillment. It leads to emptiness disguised as success. Here's the truth most men never hear. Attraction that lasts is not built on what you see. It is built on what you build together. Surface beauty may spark interest, but shared purpose keeps the fire alive. Respect makes it safe. Growth makes it strong. Psychologists studying long-term couples have found again and again that relationships rooted in shared goals and mutual respect last longer and bring deeper happiness than those based on looks alone. Why? Because beauty fades, but purpose evolves. Attraction fueled by respect doesn't weaken, it deepens. A woman who grows with you, who supports your vision and challenges you to rise higher, becomes more attractive with time. Her character multiplies her beauty. Her loyalty makes her shine in ways that no makeup or dress ever could. And when storms come, and they will, it is not her appearance that will hold you together. It is her strength. Beside you, men who build relationships on purpose and respect discover a truth that shallow men never learn. A partner's inner qualities create an attraction that grows with age. Wrinkles may come, hair may gray. But love built on growth becomes unstoppable, unshakable, undeniable. So stop asking, is she beautiful enough for me? Start asking, can we build something beautiful together? That is where real attraction lives, not in the curve of her smile, but in the courage of her heart, not in the glamour of today, but in the legacy of tomorrow. If you want love that lasts, build on purpose, build on respect, build on growth. because that is beauty that time cannot take away.